Hi, I'm Anna Vocino, and I'm the author of Eat Happy and Eat Happy Too. And today we're gonna make a cocktail. At 10 in the morning, we're gonna make the Pinkie Tuscadero. And we call it that because a really nice lady online in the internet community named it that, and I can't remember her name. And I am forever appreciative to this mystery woman, so thank you, internet. We're gonna muddle about a tablespoon of raspberries. These are huge. I'm gonna do about 6 of them though, because I like overdoing it. A juice of 1 lime. It's most of that. We're gonna do about a tablespoon of cucumber. I kind of pre-cut it. And we're gonna throw in a few jalapeno slices. By the way, this is what bartenders hate doing the most, is muddling. Any drink like a mojito that requires muddling, but when you're at home, you can make the extra effort. Now, this is 1 ounce. This is 2 ounces. We want 2 ounces. I like Tito's. Again, this is a cocktail for 1. That's what the proportions I'm showing you. For the love of God, make 2. Let's put a bunch of crushed ice up in this piece. And we're gonna shake, shake, shake. And how I like to shake is to use the rag, because the shaker can sometimes get really cold. I think they sell insulated shakers now. You're gonna shake for at least 30 seconds. Should we speed this up? I'm trying to like hold the rest of my body perfectly still, so you can't see the arms flapping in the wind. Okay, that's good enough. Oh, here it is. You think I had one of these already, but I haven't. What do you? Somebody off camera is taking stories right now. Everything's fine. I don't care for raspberry seeds, so I'm straining them out. Ooh, it's filling up nice. Nicely, adverb ly. Whew, look at that. That is gorgeous. So, that's just about done. Do you see how there's like a centimeter there to the top? I like to float some soda water. We're gonna do this lime Perrier. You can make your own soda water in the soda stream, but I like the lime Perrier. Plus it's easier, more convenient. Let's garnish. We've got a little cucumber wedge. Let's throw some extra jalapeno slices on the top. And we have, ladies and gentlemen, the Pinkie Tuscadero. Oh, that's really good. And it has the spice, just the right amount. You feel it towards the end. You got the heat. You got the little bit of sweet from the raspberries. You got the lime balancing it all out, and the cucumber just freshens it up and keeps the spice from being overwhelming. Damn. Check out AnnaVocino.com. Or get your hands on Eat Happy Too to get this and 159 other gluten-free, grain-free, low-carb recipes. I'm Anna Vocino. Thanks for joining me.